Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new saber to unbox and I'm very excited for this one because it's from Vaders Sabers and this is the first time I've gotten a saber from them, but I've heard lots of good things, so let's just get into it. So when we open the box, we have the usual things. So an SD card reader, tools and screws, a manual, a saber stand, charger, little tool, what's that? That's like a spare greeble, a NeoPixel blade plug. Our NeoPixel blade, this is a 32-inch NeoPixel blade, and we obviously have our gorgeous hilt, which is a Mara Jade hilt. Okay, so this is a Mara Jade saber, and in case you don't know who Mara Jade is Luke Skywalker's wife in Legends, who originally worked for the Emperor. I have thought about doing a Mara Jade cosplay so many times because I can use my natural hair and that's so much easier than a wig, especially like a short wig like my Sabine wig over there. Trying to get all my hair into that thing is such a pain, and natural hair cosplays, I just love them, and I would love to do a Mara Jade cosplay at some point, and this saber just gets me one step closer. Let's just open this up. My god, this saber is gorgeous! This is literally beautiful. This is amazing. This saber is a NeoPixel and I got it from Vaders Sabers, and this is my first saber I've got with them. But if you do want to buy a saber from Vaders Sabers, use code BELLA66 for 5% off your entire order. Let's install the blade. I'm so excited for this. Wow, this is wrapped really well. Installing a blade is just the same as any saber. You just gotta put the blade in, get your Allen key and screws, and screw them in so the blade doesn't fall out when you swing it around, which I will be doing later in this video. This gets me up to a total of like 53 sabers. That's a problem. That's a lot of sabers for a 15-year-old kid. Okay, now the blade's installed, we can turn it on, which I think is this button. I haven't charged it, so it might be dead, but also I might have to turn the chassis on. Whoa. What? Well, yeah, okay. So, it is a removable chassis, and the switch is just there. And you can chuck that in, but it's, because of like how big the hilt is, it's one of those ones where it's like half of the chassis. Then there's like a connector piece in there, and then that connects to the NeoPixel sensors up here. I have a few sabers like this, so they confuse me. Power on. There we go. Whoa. That's loud. Better. I will say spinning it is a bit awkward because there's so much happening up here, but we will cross that bridge when we get to it. So I will admit it is definitely going to be an interesting bridge to cross. That's going to be a problem for future me when I spin this tonight, but for now let's go over all the different sound fonts and stuff. My birds are so loud. The buttons. Okay, I'll show you this in a second. The buttons, there are like little buttons here. I'm not sure if you can see them. I might have to turn the lights off. But like it lights up the color of the blade in there. There we go, that looks good because Mara Jade has a purple lightsaber and I technically just burnt my hand off, but we are going to ignore that. That's what it looks like, the buttons when they light up. So, because this saber is a Xenopixel, it is able to connect to your phone with Bluetooth, which I will go ahead and show you now.
App connected. New Horizon. Wanderer. Volume level 100%. Steady. Unstable. Fireblade standard mode.
Now that we've had a look at the saber and everything it can do, let's have a look at how well it spins. Okay, now we're outside. We can give this gorgeous saber a spin test. Warning, I have absolutely no idea how this is going to spin because of all of that stuff at the top. So, yeah, we'll see. I have absolutely no idea how this is going to throw and I'm mildly terrified. Let's see if I can not drop this thing. Oh! Okay. It's not horrendous. It hurts your hand a little bit, but it's not horrendous. Definitely very awkward. It's definitely very awkward. I'm sorry for the short spin test, but I reckon that's
I have to sort this out on my own.
as much as I'm gonna get out of it.
Without the council.
Unfortunately.
And without you.
Like a 3 out of 10 for spinning, maybe. But like, okay. So it can't spin, but like look at it. It's gorgeous. And realistically, it's gonna be used for a cosplay at some point. It's definitely not gonna be my go-to for spinning, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for sticking around till the end of this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below so you can stay updated with when I upload, which isn't very often because I am broke and can't buy new lightsabers, but ignoring that fact, it helps me out a ton and I really appreciate all you guys who are subscribed. I hope you have a good rest of your day, however long that has left, and may the force be with you all.
I can't stay here any longer.